2 months as a travel consultant and MakeMyTrip.com. And I do the cancellations, the bookings. Basically, I'm a problem solver. I've taken my brother and sister to an organization that is Hope Foundation, and from there the people have sent us to the Udayan Care. They accepted us as their children. From that day we are the Udayan Care family.
Currently I'm working with Oberoi Hotel as a front desk executive, and my role is like I have to deal with the guest and then I have to do check-in, check-out and normal, all the things, paperwork and all. I've been staying in Udayan Care for the last 6 years. When I came into Udayan Care, I was in 12th standard, and after that from Rai University I did hotel management, and then I went to UK for a year. I worked in a hotel there in the kitchen department.
मैं पहले सिंपल वार्ड बॉय था, सबको रिपोर्ट मिली ये अच्छा काम करता है तो उन्होंने कहा इसे आईसीयू में कर देते हैं, आईसीयू के लायक है, तो मेरा वर्क वहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल हो गया।
I am working with Kidstuff Promos and Event Management. I am a junior executive over here. I just got married 5 months back, and before that I was living in Udayan Care at Maroli House.
What is Udayan Care?
Established in February 1994, Udayan Care is a trust that has been working for the last 13 years for disadvantaged children and women. It was established with the vision of not just providing shelter for abandoned and orphaned children, but also a family and home. Emanating from this vision is the concept of Udayan Ghar.
8 साल रही हूँ मैं इस घर में। मैं अकेली आई थी इस घर में सबसे पहले। उसके बाद मेरी बहन आई थी, हमारा रूम हुआ करता था। मेरी आदत थी, मैं हमेशा नीचे बैठ के पेंटिंग किया करती थी, हमेशा।
Udayan means eternal sunrise, and its aim is to make eternal winners out of disadvantaged and abandoned children, to make them a better person, to teach them values of life.
The Udayan Ghars function on the group foster care model. A committed group of men and women manage these homes and make use of their parenting experience so that children don't miss family life. For every ghar we have a mentor mother concept. We have a biological mother. Mentor mothers are like that only, but they are more than the biological parents because they have taken care of us more than the real parents.
In a normal family, you won't have 3 mothers. Say whatever you want to say, even if you want to talk about your boyfriend, you want to talk about your professional life, anything you want to share, you can share with them, and they will, always try to sort of, solve your problem.
Life in Udayan Ghar.
They have given a word to this. It's mean life. Its full form is living in a family environment. बच्चे हमेशा खुश रहे, जब वो यहाँ से जाए बाहर, अपनी लाइफ बहुत अच्छे से जिए, इंडिपेंडेंटली, कॉन्फिडेंटली।
ये हमें फैमिली इस तरह से लगता है जैसे अपने बच्चे होते हैं, उन्हीं की तरह रखा जाता है। जिनके माँ बाप नहीं है, उन्हें रहने के लिए एक घर दिया।
In Udayan Care, children are studying in a very, very good schools like DPS, Sanskriti, Tagore International, and then children are, going to learn Kathak and jazz, whatever their interest.
उद्यान केयर में वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, कंप्यूटर, फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट की कोचिंग के लिए भेजा जाता है।
And they're getting so much of love, and they're getting everything what a normal child should get.
The change we saw.
First I was very nervous, but right now I have a capability, I have a confidence that I can live alone, I can manage myself. Udayan Care changed me a lot.
Udayan Ghar gave me very good schooling, and they make me independent, and they made a bridge for me.
When I came to Udayan Care, I was only 17. I was really aggressive, and while staying in Udayan Care, I've gained a lot of self-confidence, and I know how to live life alone and how to take care of myself very well.
Our dreams.
मैं बड़ा होके डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ, जिससे मैं पेशेंटों को और गरीब लोगों की हेल्प कर सकूँ।
Basically, I want to open my own restaurant. So what I'm planning is like I'm going to work here maybe for 2 years. I'll have some experience, then I'll go abroad, earn a huge amount, and then come back and open a restaurant.
I want to open my travel agency, my own travel agency. That's my dream.
मैं चाहूँगा कि उद्यान घर को कुछ पैसे दे सकूँ, जिससे ये और घर बनाए और बच्चे रह सके इस घर में।
Our aim now is to establish more ghars, reach out to children and women on a national level, and make them self-reliant to face the challenges of the world.
और मैं आज जो खड़ा हूँ, ये उद्यान घर की वजह से ही अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हूँ। और मैं उद्यान घर को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ।
I'm proud to be an Udayan.
That was us, but the story is not over yet.
A part of Udayan Care is the Udayan Shalini Fellowship Program. The Udayan Shalini Fellowship for girls from lower socio-economic strata not just provides monetary assistance for their academic and vocational pursuits, but also helps grooming their overall personality.
I have been part of or member of Udayan Care since 2003.
Udayan Shalini scholarship is based upon that the need, ambition and the talent.
Udayan Care delivered workshops on many topics which includes motivation, communication skills and setting the target, through which I improve myself and set a target to achieve that.
My parents feel proud on me that now I'm more confident so that I can speak for myself, for my family in front of other people.
When I first joined their workshop, I came to realize that they are not giving only economical support for the children, but they are also there for they are there for raise the standard of the child who are needy.
My aim is to become IAS officer.
Udayan Shalini has changed my life.
So would you like to be a part of Udayan Care family? Come
Join us.